is Timothy with Cars in 4K. I'm here doing a walk around video of the 2019 S560 and it's pretty enjoyable for sure. It's really nice, of course, a sophisticated car. So I think you may have seen on my channel as well, there's been a couple videos. One was reviewing and walking around the 7 Series BMW, and then the I think the next one I'll have to post as well is the Audi A8. So it's been a really nice car, this S-Class, and of course it's one of the ultimate luxury cars, really comfortable driving and just enjoyable all around. It also is quite a head turner too, so it's kind of funny, especially kind of like when you're a little bit of a younger looking guy driving around in this big boat car. It's interesting. But yeah, okay. So first look on this S-Class, as you probably know, but maybe you don't. So when it shows the 3 lines here, that's showing that it's an S-Class. And then if it's 2 lines, like 1 line here and 1 line there, that's an E-Class. And then 1 line here is a C-Class for the this kind of generation year, and E-Class and C-Class. So you can kind of tell the difference, even though the C-Classes are getting to the point where you can kind of get confused, I would say. But then you also, on the front here, so this pops out, and this is a front camera, and then this is the what is it, the radar or the sensors for the autonomous driving. So it's a pretty nice feature when you're driving on the freeway, so it's easygoing, chill drive. And this is actually the only Mercedes that's having the fixed star on the top, so S-Class is kind of taken that back and said, you know, we need that one for the ultimate luxury cars, so it's good to have that on there. And then they have, of course, a smaller Mercedes sign, so you don't forget what the star means, right? Hopefully you don't. So then it's also having some nice big AMG rims here, so 20-inch rim. I kind of like the spoke. You used to be able to get this on, I think, the AMG 63s from the prior generation, but it's really nice. It has a classy look for sure, but then a little bit sporty. Then you're also having the multi-head beams, so it does this kind of like cool movement around the car when you turn it on. And the best part, like my CLS, it has these little blue fins there, so it makes it look really cool at nighttime for sure. And so those are the high-end lights. So I'll have to find the paint code of this one. Oh, there's a GLE 40. Oh, actually a GLE 63 up there. It's pretty nice. Sorry. Focus. So you can actually see that it's not black. It's this kind of brownish ruby color, but from a distance it just looks black. So it has a really nice look to it at daytime. And 560 S-Class. So I drove the 450 for a little bit as well before, and this one totally gets up and goes compared to that one. So for instance, like if I were to get one of these, I would definitely get the 560. I mean, some people don't like chroming, but I think it makes this car look a lot bigger and cooler. So I think the important thing is we jump in the back and you can see the interior. So it's having this two-tone, everything is leather with the diamond cross stitches on the side here, which make it look really sophisticated too. And also it has all these shades, so you can have privacy in the car. And then look at that interior. I mean, it looks quite stunning for sure, especially when you jump in. And my favorite parts of this car is this cushion here, so it reclines down a little bit, and then you have nice executive feeling. You can also pull down with this, and then you have a nice center console for some glasses. You can push these up, and so then you can push that in there. You also have the center glove box there. You can open it up and then have some hidden storage in there. Normally they put a refrigerator in there for your champagne glasses, but that's just some extra storage. Then you can also open and close the rear shade. So let's just jump in and I'll show you how you can move the front seat on the passenger side. So let's move the front seat up, and so we can have some room here, and then it's gonna give us some more leg room. What it does basically is it just folds that seat back, forward. And normally when you're having like this driver, then you have some more room. So we can jump in and then close her up here. You can have heated seats. Also, the best thing I love about Mercedes, and they better not change this, is heated seats and cooling seats at the same time. So that's pretty sexy, right? So you have some nice leg room here, a nice view, you know, and then you also have the sunshades and panorama roof. I can also look how I'm looking at, you know, oh, nice and proper here. Okay. And nice area too. And of course, you know, it's very enjoyable, peaceful. I don't hear any road noise outside. I mean, when I'm being driven, for instance, you know, it's really comforting. So, yeah. Let's continue on the walk around. The other nice feature as well, so you can plug in your computer here and charge it. You have a little bit of storage for your phones. Yeah, you can press this and have like a cup holder if you want. There. This normally is for like your champagne glass if it was the extended version, or with the refrigerator, or you can hold your remote. You also have some nice mood lighting, and I can press this and then it will open up the sunshade, or I can close it if I don't want to see the peasants outside, right? Just kidding, just kidding. Then we can close this sunshade, so nice and private. And if we want to open or close that, we can do that from there. And so yeah, let's jump into the front and I'll show you how that is. Okay. Oh, nice GLS 63. All the features in the interior, in the passenger, or sorry, in the driver's seat here. So you have also the piano black wood, which honestly I'm not such a fan of. I would like the flowing lines, looks really classy, but I think it's also nice matching through this color combo. You have the Burmeister speaker system, nice clock, the Designio, and you have, you know, the standard option controls here. Nice thing is though, on the S-Class, for instance, if you get to the ending point here, it stops the actual scroll thing. So for instance, I can zoom in, and then also then I can tell when the stopping point is, so I can kind of not look at the actual controller. I know where it's going to stop just by feeling. You also have these beautiful two big screen. I think they're 12.2 inch, each one of them are. You also have a nice pulsating stop start, and a nice looking sophisticated steering wheel as well. Burmeister speakers. Yeah. Some other features too, you can control these. We call these the BlackBerry keys because they're actually look from BlackBerry, but you can have the different designs if I want it like sport mode or progressive. So yeah, it's kind of cool. Also, I have here, I can do the driver assist, the steering, and the lane keep assist. I also have the heads up display option. So let's see if you can see that in there. So this is where it's projected up there, and then it puts it on the screen or on the glass here, but it's visible through here, which is kind of cool. I can also, this button closes and opens the rear sunshade. Have these nice feeling high quality little AC vents too. Have your sunglass holder, some buttons for lights, and this almost borderless mirror, which is pretty nice too. And then here I can close that for, you know, a calming feeling in the car. Other favorite feature, for instance, like when you have a lady gonna get in the car, you can preheat on the right side. So watch this. If I press this, it's gonna turn on that one. And so watch. So that's pretty cool. You can also do cooling seats. And for instance, I can control the seat as well from this side. So I can prep it and ready to go when you're gonna be a gentleman and open the door up, you have the seat ready to go. Which is kind of cool, right? Gives you some brownie points for a date night. So let's do a quick, just little drive around as well, and just how the car is feeling. You can just hear it. It's pretty quiet. Oh, I'm a bad influence. I didn't put my seatbelt on. So let's go enjoy this nice car. As you can see, you know, we really don't hear much noise road, you know, sounds as well, and just kind of has a good presence to it too. Like I was saying, pretty enjoyable. So after driving this S-Class for a day or so, it's been pretty enjoyable. You know, it's a perfect, just like daily driver car. You can enjoy the smooth sound and not like any road noise at all. So it's really enjoyable. I think, you know, probably after my CLS, I'd probably go for one of these and try that out for, you know, some time and just see how it is, because you get really spoiled with this car, I would have to say. I mean, for sure, if you're having somebody drive you in that as well, that would be pretty nice. I would say, like, for the top three, Mercedes still holds, you know, the high standards for their cars, especially on these. And these ones are built in Sindelfingen, so you know that they're also built in Germany. They're, you know, still lower productions than maybe some of the other model cars. So yeah, just stay with the best, right? Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the quick walk around video that I did, and if you guys have any questions, always comment and, you know, like, and different suggestions that I can do on my videos, or any suggestions on which kind of cars I should review or walk around. So ciao for now, enjoy, like and subscribe. Like I said before, probably too many times that I've said that, but you can never have too much fun. Keep enjoying the videos. Ciao. I'm watching those subscribe buttons. Click, click, click.